SBFC Finance Q3 FY26 results. ARM crosses 10,478 crore rupees, but surges 34%. SBFC Finance Limited has delivered a remarkable performance in Q3 FY26, marking a historic milestone as its assets under management, or ARM, surged 29% year-on-year to cross 10,478 crore rupees. This growth was further supported by a 5% sequential increase, highlighting the company's strong operational momentum. The growth story is powered primarily by the MSME segment, which now makes up 81% of the total ARM, alongside gold loans contributing 19%. This strategic focus on underserved segments is paying off, providing both volume growth and stability to the loan book. The growth story is powered primarily by the MSME segment, which now makes up 81% of the total ARM, alongside gold loans contributing 19%. This strategic focus on underserved segments is paying off, providing both volume growth and stability to the loan book. Operational efficiency was another highlight for the quarter. The cost-to-income ratio improved significantly to 34.27% from 39.86% in Q3 FY25, while the cost-to-ARM ratio declined to 3.93%, reflecting the company's ability to scale effectively without sacrificing profitability. Asset quality remains robust, with gross NPA at 2.71%, nearly flat year and slightly better than 2.77% in Q2 FY26. Net NPA improved to 1.48% from 1.63% a year ago, underscoring SBFC's prudent lending practices. Return ratios continued to impress, with return on average ARM rising to 4.67% and return on average tangible equity at 14.56%, reinforcing the company's strong fundamentals and disciplined management. Despite these positive results, the stock market showed a cautious reaction, with SBFC shares dipping 1.49% to close at 103 rupees and 40 paise. This is likely due to concerns over potential interest rate hardening and rising household debt levels, even though the company's underlying performance remains strong. Looking ahead, management maintains a long-term guidance of 5%-7% quarterly ARM growth, signaling confidence in sustainable growth. There is also a key leadership transition. Executive Director Mahesh Daini is set to succeed Aseem Dhruv as CEO, ensuring continuity and strategic focus for the company. In conclusion, SBFC Finance Limited continues to demonstrate strong growth, stable asset quality, and operational efficiency. While short-term market reactions may fluctuate, the company's fundamentals remain solid, making it a standout player in the NBFC space. Investors should watch for the next quarters as the company further scales its MSME and gold loan portfolio, while integrating leadership changes smoothly. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.